You have seen some channels uploading these kinds of videos, getting millions of views, and making thousands of dollars from it. The best part is that this niche is a new viral goldmine with high search volume but low competition. If you tap into this niche now, I can guarantee you success within the next few months. But you may be wondering how to create these kinds of videos. That's exactly what I'm about to show you in just 4 easy steps. If you watch till the end, I'll show you how to make sure your video stands out and how to post it on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels to make the most out of it. Without further ado, let's dive in. Step 1. Start with creating a simple script for your video. This is a crucial part because it determines your video's success. Make sure you watch this carefully. We have to make our video script funny and conversational for people to watch and engage. To make this easy, we are going to use ChatGPT for the script. Open your ChatGPT and input this prompt. To make your video unique, make sure to tweak the video style and tone of voice. Click on Enter and your script will be generated. You can generate 2 scripts to see which one you prefer. After getting your script, let's move to the next step. Step 2. Get a voiceover for your video script. There are tons of voiceover software like Flicky, Speechify, or Lovo, but I prefer 11lab as it offers various voices and features to make your video engaging. Check the link in the description to sign up for a free account. Copy the first part of your script and paste it into the box. Select a funny voice by listening to various options. Once you select the voice you like, click on Generate. When your voice is ready, click Download, and the voice will be saved to your computer or device. Do this for all the other scripts and make sure to assemble your voices well. Step 3. Click that red subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your loved ones. It costs you nothing to do that. Subscribe now to support this channel and motivate me to create more content you will love. Step 4. Bring your video to life. This is absolutely free, but if you miss this aspect, you may end up using paid tools, so watch closely. Search for Adobe Express Animator, or click the link in the description to land on an interface like this. Click on Create Now. You can browse through different categories of characters and even pick a unique niche, either for animals, sports, or robots. After selecting your preferred character, click on Background to change the background of your video. You can scroll through various available backgrounds or even upload a background image. After picking your background, go to Size to select your video size and platform, whether for Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, or TikTok. Select the 9:16 aspect ratio as we will be posting this video on different platforms. Adjust the character to fit your background, then click Browse to add your first voiceover. Wait for the tool to animate from your audio. Once you are satisfied with the output, click on Download, and do this for all other voices. This should take you less than 5 minutes based on your script. Once you are done, this is where the magic happens. We are going to use CapCut. You can download CapCut to your PC or use the online version. Both work perfectly. Go to CapCut, create a new project, and add all your animated videos to the clip. Add transitions between each scene, add some sound effects, and add nice background music. Make sure to lower the background volume. After that, go to Caption and click on Auto-Generate Captions. Tweak the caption settings or select a preset caption to make your video stand out and easy to watch for your audience. Once everything is done, click on Export and give your video a title. But not only that, you may notice any video you download from CapCut always takes up too much space. I've got you covered. Go to Handbrake. Download the software to reduce the size of your video without losing quality. Let's see what we created so far.
All right, today is the day. I'm gonna get all this done. Focused, productive, no distractions. Oh, hey, I see you're trying to work. Cool. But have you checked your phone? I'm sure there's some new notifications waiting for you. Nope, not today, procrastination. I'm busy. Busy? Or would you rather binge watch that show everyone's talking about? One episode won't hurt, right? No,
Before bringing this video to an end, if you are a content creator, you will like to watch my video on text-to-video AI generators. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications to get notified of my next video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section or any video you would like me to create next. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.